Hey guys, so today I'm just really bored, so I'm gonna show you guys how to take apart pens and put them back together. First, I'm gonna do the non-complicated pen, and then I'm gonna do the complicated pen. So let's get started. 1 second. Okay. Here we go. So, oh, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Here's the non-complicated pen. First what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom and you're going to pop that off. So, if it's like a stronger pen, then you have to bite it like that, or you can just hold on. Yeah. Or you can just peel it off. So, first we have that done. Put that to the side. Right there. And then you're gonna try and get the top off. So what I do, since I don't want lead in my mouth, I take this, put it over it, and then bite it. So don't get no lead in your mouth, put that down, and then slide it out. So we have that out and that out. Now, the part about putting it back together. You take the part that has that part on it, and you stick it through, and it might be hard, so you gotta press hard as you can to get that in, and turn around, and the ending part should be really easy. Make it snap, and that's how you put together and take apart a simple pen. Now the hard pen. First, if it has the cushion part, you're gonna take, hold on, if you have the cushion part, you're gonna first not have it clicked in, clicked out. First you're gonna, if it is easy, if it's not easy, if it is easy, this usually just pops right off like that. If it isn't easy, then you just move this until it pops off. So I'm gonna do the easy way, and then it should look like that. So this part, put that down, take that part, slide it out, and then this part. For me, I normally just gonna twist it until it pops off. But for you, it might just be slip off. So these are the pieces. I like to call this the mouth part, and then I like to call this the tongue, squishy thingy, and the button. So now we gotta take off the spring. So you're just gonna, what I like to do is, instead of just like going and trying to break it, I push it, and then press off. That usually does it. Just goes straight off from there. And right here, if you can see or not, there's little bumps. That's to keep it secure. So we have tongue, mouth, button, squishy thingy, and spring. So, first we're going to put the spring back on. And we have to press, and there you go. And it should be in between the parts right there. So it should look like that. And then take this part and slide it in. So it should like easily slip off, and then hold that like that. And then take this part and let that slide in. What you're going to do is you're going to press down. I'm going to take the squishy thingy. Oh, we were supposed to do that first. Hold on. So, this part. Put squishy thingy. So, when you have it slipped on there and it's easy to take off, I'm going to slip it on there. And I'm going to slip that on there. So, it should look like that. What you're going to do is you're going to make it fit, and you're going to twist. And it should look like that. Or you can just do the squishy part first and then do that. And then what you do is you take this, should look like that, press down so it matches up with the squishy thingy. And there you have it. That's how you take apart and put apart a hard pen and a simple pen. Hope you enjoyed. And semi help you with whatever reason you're taking apart a pen for. But yeah. Like I said, happy Thanksgiving. And I'm not trying to sound corny, but just while you're eating your beautiful feast, think about what you're thankful for, not just, oh yay, food. Get a pig out, even though that is a reason too. But like I said, happy Thanksgiving. Bye.